Hi, my name is Ben and I talk about technology for a living. Next, I'm going to show you the industry's best digital whiteboard and how it can help you and your business. So let's have a look at the Mondopad Ultra whiteboard. So again, on a 4K screen, it's got a hover toolset here that you can take off or leave on the board. You can also present from the left or the right hand side. Again, remember it's 20 points of touch, so the ability for more than one person to operate it at any point in time. So this is your drawing tool bar. You can draw, you can erase, you can change color from here as well. You can insert text. You can select different parts and then move those around. You can undo what you've done, and then you can redo if you've made a mistake. So from a draw perspective, you can see that I've just highlighted it in the corner. You can pick any color from here. You can also change the size of the stroke as well. And when you press the highlighter, you can also change the opacity of the color as well. So there are some built-in tools to help you use it, from different shapes, from your squares to your circles to people that can't draw a straight line. And then finally, one of my favorite features is the ability to have a complete endless whiteboard. So you can do anything you need on any screen and then move to the next. It'll also give you the ability to open any file that you have stored either on the screen or maybe on a network drive. You can also print from the screen itself to any one of your network printers. Because this device sits on your network, when you're saving it, you can save to any of the network places that you have or to the board itself, either as a whiteboard file allowing you to go back in and make any changes that you may want, or as a JPEG or PDF. One of the really cool features I'm going to show you is, firstly, I'm going to open up one of the files that we had before, showing you just on there. I'm then going to take this and the ability to share at the end of a meeting, the not having to take a photo anymore and then try to send it to people. So I'm going to press the share button. It allows me to share either as a JPEG or a PDF, the current view, what we're currently looking at, or the whole view if you're looking at multiple screens. You can either email the image or you can do something really cool like this. So a QR code is, I just open up my camera on any device, point it at the QR code, press the button. And that means that anybody who's been in the room can just simply scan the QR code on their way to the room, and then you've got all the information.